This is the Iowa weather report for Tuesday, December 8th, 2015, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, we have a disturbance moving off the east coast, another one coming into the state, and that's going to bring us a few more clouds around, especially in our northern counties. We'll have some morning fog again as well, and this could bring us a little bit of sprinkles, maybe a little bit of light rain across our far northern counties, mainly tonight and late this afternoon and tonight. But mainly it'll be a little bit sunnier toward the southern counties, highs in the 40s and 50s today, and this will be through the week as well. That system moves off to the east as we move into Wednesday. The next storm comes into the north and west here as we move into Wednesday, but we're still warm with highs well above average in the 40s and 50s, and that, as I said, is going to continue through the rest of the week. Disturbance moves across the Minnesota and Wisconsin here on Thursday. That could bring a few more clouds into our northern counties, may drop temperatures a tad closer to 40. Mainly the rest of the state still in the 40s and 50s. It's that storm off to our west that we're going to continue to watch. The Gulf of Mexico begins to bring in a little moisture here on Friday. We could see another increase in clouds with that system approaching from the west. But it should stay mainly dry all day Friday and most of Friday night as well. Saturday, the system is going to be coming into the southern plains. Gulf of Mexico opens up. Should see some late day showers, especially in our southern counties by late Saturday afternoon. And then the rest of the weekend looks rather wet, and in some cases, maybe our northwestern counties could see a little bit of wintry precipitation, maybe some rain or snow. We'll have to wait and see what the temperatures will look like, but we could see some decent amounts of rain, maybe about an inch in some areas. Highs will be dropping back toward the 30s to lower 40s, but then that system moves away. The warm weather returns ahead of another system that's going to be right on the heels of this one. That will be coming into the state by roughly next Tuesday or so. And speaking of that, look how it's digging the jet stream way down into the southern plains. Fairly dynamic system coming in. And this is going to bring us another chance of precipitation. This will be more rain and snow again. That 32-degree line is really going to be positioned right across the state. So wherever you are, north or south or east or west of that line, is really going to depend on what kind of precipitation we'll see. And we'll have plenty of time to watch it as it comes in. And even in the extended period on the 19th, another system digging across the Intermountain West. And this will be sweeping into the state again toward a couple days before Christmas, and this one could bring us maybe a bit of snow as colder air will be around. A lot of the warmth will be down to the south because a lot of cold air coming in after the fact, but more typical of December, not anything Arctic by any means. So we'll see what this system does in the coming days. At the end of the forecast on the 23rd, the flow coming mainly out of the west, out of the Pacific Northwest and Western Canada, so it's not really bringing us Arctic weather as we're going toward 2 days before Christmas, but it's going to be bringing us temperatures that are closer to seasonal levels as we move into that period. A couple of systems moving across the Gulf Coast and systems across Canada, and we're fairly high and dry, but things can change, and we'll keep watching it over the next couple of days or weeks or so. Satellite image from last evening. You can see that disturbance off to our west. It's going to bring us a little bit more cloudiness as we move into today, with a little bit of light rain possible in our far northern counties late today and into tonight. And then the rest of the country looks rather quiet. You can see by the watch warning map some windy and weather up in the northern Rockies, some flood and flash flood issues across the north and west, some fog out in the east. Nothing around the rest of the country, however. QPF chart, that's a different story. This is rainfall through Saturday, or precipitation through Saturday. Quite a bit, a little bit around here, maybe about a tenth to a quarter of an inch. Heavier rains will come after this period, but very heavy precipitation across the northwest.